Hi, this is Scoggett, and I'm broadcasting from Tornado Alley, Texas. And right now we got a thunderstorm that just rolled in. This thing just developed like in a matter of minutes. I mean, it wasn't here before, and now it's developed and it's starting to rain. And I'm going to take some footage of it and let y'all see what I'm talking about. Well, we got some rain coming down, big old fat rain. That's well wanted rain around here. We're in a drought down here. And that flashing, that's the lightning going on, and the thunder. I think you can hear the lightning and thundering. Mrs. Scoggett just told me that we're under a severe weather warning. So, that's what we got right now. You can see the lightning and hear the thunder going on as the storm's rolling in. This is shot from my backyard. Little bit of footage of a Tornado Alley, Texas thunderstorm rolling in, and we got some severe weather out, and just thought I'd make a short video on it, and appreciate you watching the video. And sorry about a shaky camera, but I don't have it on tripod. And y'all take care.